Well, skunks like eggs, and I had one sniffing around by my chicken coop. It's actually got a garage door on it. It's part of the garage that we converted into the ducks and chickens coop. And I looked up how to deter them from coming around. And of course, a lot of places said to kill them or to trap them and to move them. And one said if you had an automatic water sprinkler, you could turn it on, and because skunks hate water. Well, I don't have an automatic water sprinkler. So I improvised, and it worked. I had to do it a couple nights in a row, but he decided he didn't like getting wet, and he left and went about his business.